Curious how artificial intelligence is transforming research and innovation? Welcome to AI Plus Researcher by AI CERTs, designed for those applying AI in research. Learn how AI advances data analysis, literature review, and experimentation. This certification builds AI skills for modern research. AI is transforming research. Without AI, organizations risk losing efficiency and competitive edge. AI Plus Researcher certification offers essential AI insights for better workflows, data analysis, and automation. This program aligns AI tools with research goals for smarter decisions, faster discoveries, and impactful outcomes. AI Plus Researcher certification by AI CERTs equips professionals with essential AI capabilities to advance modern research and innovation. Learners build expertise in data pre-processing and management, machine learning model development, advanced statistical analysis, and AI-enhanced scholarly publishing. This certification enables researchers to streamline research workflows, generate deeper insights, accelerate discoveries, and produce high-quality, data-driven research in today's AI-enabled academic and industrial research environments. AI Plus Researcher certification by AI CERTs is designed for scholars and researchers, market research analysts, data scientists, academic leaders, and students or new graduates who want to apply artificial intelligence in research-driven environments. The program provides AI knowledge for advanced analysis, data research, publishing, and decision-making, leading to more efficient and impactful research. The AI Plus Researcher certification by AI CERTs is globally recognized for validating AI skills in research and analytics. It showcases expertise in data analysis, modeling, and research workflows, enhancing insights, processes, and strategies in academic and professional research. Backed by global standards, AI CERT certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join AI Plus Researcher certification to boost AI-driven research skills. Use AI for analysis and decision-making. Apply AI in machine learning and publishing. Empower researchers for better insights. Find more details in the course flyer below. Explore the AI Plus Researcher certification by AI CERTs. Gain skills in data-driven discovery, analytics, and automation for practical AI expertise. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@synergogy.com or visit our page on synergogy.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.